heavy rains bring Mumbai city to a standstill. Orange alert in Mumbai, red alert in Thane. Streets are waterlogged. Mumbai cops issue an advisory over heavy rains. My department says the rains will continue. Schools are shut across Mumbai, Thane. Maximum waterlogging in maximum city. I'll be getting in these pictures coming in from Mumbai city in several parts where there is heavy waterlogging that is being reported. Traffic snarls as well after rains in fact lashed the city. Mumbai is waterlogged in many places and so is the suburban of Thane. Vidya is getting in more details. In fact, I'll go across to Vidya in a moment from now, but take a look at this report that she sent in earlier.
Heavy rainfall is being reported in Mumbai city since Monday morning. A red alert has been issued by the IMD. This is the low-lying area of Andheri subway where you can see some water logging and hence the traffic has been shut. But other areas like subways of Milan subway don't have water logging as of now. But Andheri suburb seems to have reported a lot of water logging because a lot of heavy rainfall has been received. So in Lokhandwala area of Andheri or Veera Desai Road, there is water logging which is being reported. Also, there is heavy traffic. One of the reasons also is that people are coming to work after a long weekend and heavy rainfall has led to traffic in some areas. But if rain continues like this, it can cause inconvenience in roads and air travel. With camera person Sai Prasad Patil, Mustafa Sheikh for India Today.
We are right now in the Sion area of Mumbai, and here, because of a small, low-lying area that happens right on the Eastern Express Highway, there is severe waterlogging, which has led to not just this police station getting inundated, but also the entire traffic now because of this entire bumper-to-bumper traffic that you can see right behind me, and even on the other side because of this one particular spot on the Eastern Express Highway where the traffic is, congested because of the entire waterlogging that has taken place. Well, the traffic police is trying to do their best, but you can see the school going kids who should technically have been given a day off, it should have been called a rainy day. But because the IMD in the morning had kept saying that it was going to be an orange alert, which is basically that people should really just take a little bit of precaution. But later they changed it with the weather not turning for the worse. They changed it to a red alert, wherein they are asking people to be very cautious, and there's a red alert right now for the next few hours in Mumbai. So such low-lying areas, especially with the kind of rain that is taking place right now,